I want to talk to you because I think most people that are dieting and trying to lose weight and get healthy are coming up to what probably is the single most dangerous time of the year, and that is the holidays. And how do you deal with that? How do we deal with the holidays? Well, good morning, everybody. It's me, Mitch, and I'm out here at the Palm Bay Regional Park. It's a place where I usually come to fly my drones, and seeing as I'm taking this weekend off, I thought I would bring this new little drone of mine out here, which is supposed to be able to follow me around. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to make a video with this little drone following me around while I talk. So I am loaded for bear with technology here. It's our gorgeous morning. We've had about a week of solid rain here in Florida. It's in the 60s today. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful, and I'm enjoying this cool, brisk morning. I'm hoping, I got the drone following me pretty close, and I'm hoping that I don't get a lot of drone noise in it. Otherwise, I could take it up, but it can dodge trees, can do anything here. I'll let you see what it's doing. It's actually just hanging out there in front of me, and if I walk towards it, it goes backwards. Now I can do all kinds of neat, fancy shots, which I'm gonna maybe include some in my walking videos. That's why I got the thing. And maybe I got the thing because I'm just a gadget freak and I love that stuff. I want to talk to you because I think most people that are dieting and trying to lose weight and get healthy are coming up to what probably is the single most dangerous time of the year, and that is the holidays. And how do you deal with that? How do we deal with the holidays? How do we not eat all of this garbage, turn down and decline offers of everything from well-meaning people who love us and who still consider food as a reward and a treat and something nice that they're doing for you? How do we navigate through that? That's a tough answer. Not only how do we keep from hurting their feelings, but how do we handle the cravings? How do we handle being around everybody else that's just eating their brains out, you know? Never forget the basics. Never forget the basic rules of how you handle this lifestyle when it's not a holiday. And you know that I'm a big proponent of never allowing yourself to get hungry. Never allow yourself to get hungry. I propose that you actually stuff your face with meat and things you can eat before you go to the party or to your relative's house for dinner. If you haven't been able to make sure they're going to have what you want, and most important, that they respect what you're trying to do, then don't go hungry. It's kind of like going shopping at the supermarket. The worst thing you can do is go to the supermarket when you're hungry. If you're not hungry, you'll be able to avoid these things. You'll be able to avoid the cravings. So, That's one tip. Be careful though, because if you're not, the next thing you'll be saying after you've gone off is, I promise that I'm going to start back on carnivore right after the first of the year. And that would be a shame after all the work and the thought and effort you've put into this and the great success you've had so far. That's what would happen. And I almost guarantee you that 1, 2, maybe even 3 out of 10 of you are going to look back at me on January 1st and say, damn, Mitch, you were right. You were right. So with that, take the rest of the day off and eat meat.